This is a wasted treasure. Even if you make custom courses without a family-based recorder, you can't save them. For those without one, it's useless. It sold 1.57 million in Japan. If they removed the course editor and added a battle function, it would have sold over 2 million. Got it. There's dirt here. Early models have tin plating like solder.
Mercury.
IPA. Even with this, the dirt won't come off. Nylon buff. It's pitch black. Blackened.
Oh, give more tea.
Through hole openings, need to be filled. It's filled. Zombie body fluids. Prevent this from happening. Early models degrade heavily. The whole thing is coated. Still going strong.
Perfect body.